Hi guys, it's Erica. I hope that you're doing very well. You can follow me on my journey on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at Erica Y Chan. I hope that you guys are doing very well. This is my outfit. Oops, this is my outfit. I just hit the drum pad, but this is my outfit for today. It's very chill vibes. I have these little strings on that are very cute. And I kind of matched it with my earrings, but I'm just keeping it simple with some jeans as well. So today is a very fun day because I am working on a very anticipated project. I want to surprise my cats with something. I'm very excited to do that with a single tool, just one single tool that is super simple and easy to use. The electric scissors from the brand Antive. One button does the cutting. Antive is a small business passionate about helping others unleash their creativity in projects where it is crucial to use a precise, fast, and efficient tool. They have a dedicated customer support team that has your back as fast as scissors can cut. Just imagine cutting like a hot knife through butter, effortlessly and seamlessly. Antive scissors lets you cut through materials flawlessly, ideal for things like crafting, tailoring, and box shredding. Perfect for home, crafts, and DIY projects. Perfect addition to your toolkit. Replace your traditional cardboard cutter with these lightweight, all-in-one electric scissors. The scissors are cordless, rechargeable, and come with two interchangeable shear head options. You can do the softer use blade that is good for like fabrics and softer materials, and then you have the one that is good for tougher materials like cardboard boxes and plastic, so you can just interchange, achieve smooth cuts, not only fabric, cardboard, and plastic, but also leather, corduroy, denim, carpet, felt, cotton, cloth, paper, and even thin aluminum foil. Reduce the time spent on your crafting, recycling, and DIY projects and needs. The opportunities are endless. It also has a built-in lithium-ion battery that offers 3 hours of continuous use when it's fully charged. Battery indicator will signify how much battery life is remaining, and the LED light will assist you in low light areas. You'll be able to use your electric box cutter in any given condition. You can also look forward to cutting your recycling time in half with Antive's electric box cutter scissors. They slice through cardboard effortlessly and deliver masterful cuts every time. You can do straight cuts, but if you want to switch things up a little bit, cut in a curved shape, you can do that too without hassle precisely. Forget the struggle of cutting curves by hand. Also, something very amazing is that you can reduce wrist and hand pain. Hand pain and hand strain can be eliminated. The Antive electric cutter has a sleek ergonomic design, comfortable, easy to hold grip that helps people with arthritis that suffer from pain in their hands and in their wrists, especially with prolonged use in long cutting sessions. Stay safe while crafting. I'm going to show you guys the packaging. This is the box that the Antive electric scissors cutter comes in. You can see how sharp it is. I love it. It's very sleek. Just like the design. It's a very vibrant color, so you can't miss it. It's orange and black. Very beautiful, deep orange. It says Antive electric cordless scissor. That's the model number. They have a warranty if you ever have any concerns, but they also have a very good customer service team that is going to help you in any way that they can. Look for them if you have any questions. They're very responsive and very communicative. The power voltage is 3.6 voltage. They can cut through so many different materials. They even show you this one's the 6mm soft leather, the 3mm cloth carpet, 6mm corrugated paperboard, 8mm cotton fabric, and the 0.4mm tin aluminum. That is incredible. It's very versatile, suitable for all different types of projects, which is very good. You can customize. They also have this advice for your personal safety, which I think is great. It just shows that they really care about the client and they want you to have the best experience. I love that. So that is the package. I'm going to show you guys what is inside. So look at that. Such a nice bag. I love that. They didn't have to do that, but they did because they care about the customer. They want you to get the best. There's some papers. They just have a little letter for you, giving you some information about the product and showing their gratitude. Very organized instruction manual. Very helpful. And then they also have this little card, tells you about their warranty. First up, you have the electric scissors, front and center. It's beautiful. Then you have two shear heads, the two blades, a charger. But again, like I said, it's a 3-hour continuous charge, which is amazing. There it is up close. Beautiful. Pristine. That's really nice. Pop it like this. Easy as that. Button right here. The trigger button does all the cutting. So it's very amazing and very powerful. So it's very powerful. You heard that. Exactly like that. This button right here. This is it. I'm going to show you guys in action what this thing can do. The Antive electric scissors cutter is very great when it comes to helping you with the recycling process. I don't know about you, but we have a lot of Amazon packages. We love to shop till we drop. I have an Amazon box right here and I'm going to cut it and show you guys. Flatten it out. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, you see how fast that was? That was incredible. Definitely will make the job so much easier, saves time, saves hassle. I'm going to cut through a piece of foam core. The one that I showed you before was foam. Now we have a piece of PVC core. This is plastic. Let's see how well it does. Okay. Look at how fast that was. That was fast, like I barely doing any work. Very efficient. Okay, so the next one is carpet. Softer material, softer fabric. And this is what we're going to use to put on the cat tree. Precise, perfect. Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover. I just wanted to show you the final product of the cat tree, our little surprise for our beautiful cats. You can see how Antive is amazing. Look at how the cuts look. They look so precise, so even, just looks crystal clear. I am so happy with it and I'm so excited to use them for future projects. I think this is just incredible. Look at that. So nice, so pristine. After you guys check out Antive, they are amazing. I have a link to my Amazon storefront. Going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be very effortless. So definitely check it out. Hope you guys have an amazing day.
And cut.
Literally.